Hello everyone, I'm Shane Gibson. I'm your instructor for Math 220 Online. I wanted to make this quick video to introduce myself and tell you some basic things about the course. A little bit about me: I have a master's degree in math from the University of Connecticut, but I'm from California where I did my undergrad and got my bachelor's degree in math as well. And I've been teaching at Yavapai College since 2013. I think it's a pretty great place and I'm happy to be here and hope you are too. This course will be on Canvas and my math labs, and there will be homeworks and tests on my math labs and discussion boards on Canvas, and there will also be a pencil and paper final exam at the end of the semester. So those are the main assignments. Some key things you should be aware of: you have to have access to my math labs. You can get access by purchasing the textbook that comes with the code. You can purchase the code separately from the bookstore, but the cheapest way to get access is actually once you try to access my math labs for the first time, it'll ask you for a code, but it will also give you an option to purchase a code directly. So that way you can purchase it directly from the publisher and it's cheaper. So that's the cheapest way to get access. It'll also give you an option to to get 2 weeks of free access. So if you're waiting on funds, you don't have to wait to get in there and get started. So get access to my math labs, that's the first thing. Notice you don't need to have a physical textbook. Some people like to have the textbook to study from, but if you have access to my math labs, it'll give you access to a digital copy of the book anyways. The other thing you have to have is a calculator, so a graphing calculator like a TI-83 or a TI-84. There are emulators for this that you can get on your cell phone or on your computer. The only catch is when you take the final exam, you can't use a cell phone, so then you'll have to have a physical calculator. You can also rent these from the campus. You also have to have a way to capture written work. So on the discussion boards, you'll have to solve a problem and post a solution. So you'll have to be able to show your work. So the easiest way to do this is just to write it out and take a picture with your cell phone. That works. That's what I did on the first discussion board, as you'll see. But you can also, like if you have a scanner, you can scan your work. If you have a tablet you can write on, you can show your work that way. Some way you can show written work and post it. So that's what you have to have. Also, obviously, you have to have a computer, an internet connection, and speakers. So I'm assuming you have that. Let's see, final exam. This will be a pencil and paper exam during the last week of class, and it will be comprehensive, meaning it'll roughly cover everything we cover in class. It sounds daunting, but there will be a nice study guide that kind of limits what you need to focus on, because the final exam always looks a lot like the study guide. So we'll put out the study guide, you'll study that, you'll get ready, and you'll do great. That's the plan. One other thing, you have to technically score 50% or better on the final exam in order to pass the class. That's just a math department rule. It's kind of our fail-safe against cheating on online courses, so don't cheat and study hard. How about that? Let's see. Last thing, first things you should do is to get on Canvas and watch the rest of the videos. There will be a video about how to navigate Canvas and how to access and navigate my math labs. So check those out. Also read the syllabus. And then the first two things that are due this Friday, there is 2 discussion boards due. The first one is the introduction. So introduce yourself and basically acknowledge that you read the syllabus and you watch these videos. And then the first weekly discussion board is due as well. So hop on and look at the directions for that and get that posted by Friday. So that's it. I hope you have a great and productive and successful semester. Definitely make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email. You can come to my office hours. Yeah, just communicate with me if you need anything. That's it for now, so have a good day. Goodbye.